Well, I'm back to my master lock number 9 security level, which I took out of the packet this morning and opened this afternoon. I made my video in 2 parts. One was the opening of the package, which took, I think, about the same time as it took me to open the lock with a wave rake. And in the comments, somebody asked me, hey, do they think that I could open it single pin picking? Well, those folk who know my channel know that I don't enter competitions and do bets and dares and so on. I only pick against myself, and all my videos are fun and informative, I hope. So I know that the game we're in is called Lock Sport, and as in all sports, there are challenges and competitions. So there's no reason why I shouldn't take up that small challenge. There we are, single pin picked without a great deal of trouble.